I wanted to show you today how to rewire a female plug for a vintage sewing machine. This one actually goes to a Necky BU Nova that I'm redoing. And someone was in this one before I got to it, but there's usually these little copper rivets that run down through it. And what you need to do is take you a drill bit and just drill out the top of it, or you can drill out the bottom of it, whichever is easier for you. You just drill just enough to get that ring to come off, and then you push it through. And that's going to open it up like that. And you're going to have a piece of wire going through like that, and you remove it. Be sure you don't lose these little connectors that go down in there. Now, someone had been in this one before, and so this particular one was missing. So in order to do this, the way these work, get your cord. I've got it marked here at the length where I want to cut it. And so what happens is one side of this cord goes all the way through, and the other side comes and connects here, and then it stops right here. So what happens is you plug this end into your outlet. The power comes up like this. It comes in here, it connects to that. This goes to one side of your motor and one side of your light. Then the other one comes through, it connects here. This goes to one side of your light, and then it goes through, it goes all the way down to your pedal, and it comes back right here on these little, you can see these little parts right here that punch through the insulation of your cord. See, they have these little prongs, and so when you close the top, it punches through the insulation and makes the connection. So the power comes through here, it's already dropped off, it goes to your light, it continues down, it goes all the way down to your pedal, and it comes back and connects right here, and this pin goes to your motor on the other side, so that way you can control the speed of your motor. Alright, so what we have to do is where that little notch is, we just want to cut one side of this wire. And it's going to be easier if you actually take out a little piece of wire. So I'm just going to nip out a little bit. There we go. Alright. Now that's going to lay down in there. Now, these things are old, and so this one is taking 16 gauge wire, and so what I'm doing is I'm pressing it down in there because I don't want when I screw my cap on, I don't want it to have to take all the force to get this to go down. So I'm pushing the wire down on those prongs. Now we'll put the top on. Now these are number 4 40 threads per inch screws. They're 3/4 of an inch long, and you will probably have to put them in from the bottom like this. I cheated. I've got a metal lathe, and so I took the nuts and I turned them down so that they'll go down below. Be sure you get them good and tight. Alright, and that should get that plug changed out. In the next video, I'll show you how to change out your pedal. Hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.